Imagine this. You open YouTube and watch an English video. You understand a few words, but not the full sentence. You try to speak with someone in English, but your brain feels slow. You translate word by word from your language, and when you finally say something, the moment is gone. Have you felt this? Many learners stay stuck here. They want to move forward, but they don't know the exact steps. Today, I will give you a complete roadmap. From beginner to intermediate English, step by step. Clear, simple, and practical. This lesson is not just about grammar or rules. It's about building fluency in real life. If you follow these 10 steps, you will understand more, speak faster, and feel confident when you use English in daily life. This podcast lesson is perfect for listening practice. I speak slowly, clearly, and naturally, so you can repeat after me, to train your ears and your mouth. Each part will include explanation, real-life examples, shadowing practice, pronunciation tips, and a small challenge you can do every day. Why is this important? Because English is not just something you study, it's something you live. If you want to move from beginner to intermediate, you must build habits. Listening every day, speaking out loud, thinking in English, and practicing in small ways. This roadmap will give you the structure you need. So stay with me until the end, and you will walk away with 10 clear steps you can start today. Together, we will build your English brick by brick. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to Slow English Lab, the channel that helps you learn English with no stress and no pressure. Here, you learn with slow listening, shadowing, and daily practice methods that really work. And now, I have a question for you. Write in the comments, what is your biggest problem in English? Listening, speaking, or confidence? Tip 1. Build a daily English routine. The first step on your roadmap is simple but powerful. Make English part of your daily routine. Why does this matter? Because learning a language is like exercise. If you go to the gym once a month, nothing changes. But if you go every day, even for 10 minutes, you become stronger. English works the same way. You don't need 3 hours. Start with 15 minutes a day. Listen to slow English. Shadow sentences. Write one short paragraph. Step by step, you train your brain to think in English. Real-life context. Imagine you wake up and brush your teeth. While brushing, you listen to a 2-minute English podcast. On the bus, you repeat one sentence in your head. At night, you write one line in English about your day. That's all. Easy. Example sentences. Good morning. Today will be a great day. I am learning English step by step. I can speak English with confidence. Shadowing practice. Slow. Repeat after me. Good morning. Today will be a great day. Normal. Say with me. Good morning. Today will be a great day. Natural. Say it again naturally. Good morning. Today'll be a great day. Pronunciation tip. Notice how today will becomes today'll. This is natural reduction. Try to say it smoothly, not word by word. Mini challenge. Choose one small English habit today. It could be listening, speaking, or writing. Do it for 7 days in a row. Comment prompt. Write in the comments, "I will practice English every day." Tip 2. Think in English, not in your language. The second step is to stop translating. This is the biggest wall for many learners. If you translate word by word, your brain is slow. But if you think directly in English, you speak faster and more naturally. Why it matters. Native speakers don't translate. They connect meaning to words directly. You can do this too. Real-life context. Imagine you are at a restaurant. The waiter asks, "Do you want chicken or fish?" If you translate into your language, then back to English, you take 10 seconds. But if you think in English, you answer fast, "Chicken, please." Example sentences. I like coffee. The bus is late. It's too hot today. Shadowing practice. Slow. Repeat after me. I like coffee. Normal. Say with me, I like coffee. Natural. Say it again naturally, I like coffee. Pronunciation tip. Stress the important word, I like coffee. This shows feeling. If you say I like coffee, the meaning is stronger. Mini challenge. Choose one simple situation today, like eating, walking, or waiting, and describe it in English in your head. Don't translate. Just say, I'm walking to work. The sun is hot. I'm happy. Comment prompt. Write in the comments, I will think in English today. Shadow native English. Every day shadowing is one of the most powerful tools to move from beginner to intermediate. Why it matters. When you shadow, you copy not only the words, but also the rhythm, melody, and feeling of English. It trains your mouth and ear at the same time. Real-life context. Imagine you watch a short YouTube clip. The speaker says, "How's it going?" You pause and repeat with the same sound, "How's it going?" After doing this 20 times, it feels natural. Example sentences. How are you doing? What's going on? See you later. Shadowing practice. Slow. Repeat after me. How are you doing? Normal. Say with me, how are you doing? Natural. Say it again naturally. How you doing? Pronunciation tip. Notice how are you becomes how are ya. Don't fight this. Practice it. It will help you understand fast English. Mini challenge. Choose one sentence from today's video. Shadow it 10 times, slow, normal, and natural. Comment prompt. Write in the comments. I will shadow one sentence every day. Tip 4. Use short answers in conversation. When you speak, don't always give long answers. Short answers are natural. Why it matters. Many learners think they must say big sentences, but in real life, natives use short replies. This makes you faster and more confident. Real-life context. Someone asks, "Do you like pizza?" You don't need to say, "Yes, I like pizza very much." You can simply say, "Yeah, I do." Example sentences. Yes, I do. No, I don't. Sure. Shadowing practice. Slow. Repeat after me. Yes, I do. Normal. Say with me. Yes, I do. Natural. Say it again naturally. Yeah, I do. Pronunciation tip. Yes, I do often sounds like yes, I do. smooth and quick. Mini challenge. Next time someone asks you a yes/no question, answer in 3 words or less. Comment prompt. Write in the comments, I will practice short answers today. Tip 5. Learn English in chunks. A chunk is a group of words that go together. Why it matters. Native speakers don't think word by word. They use chunks like at the moment, by the way, a little bit. Learning chunks makes your speech natural. Real-life context. Imagine your friend asks, "Are you busy?" You don't say, "At this time I am working." You just say, "I'm busy at the moment." Example sentences. At the moment. By the way, a little bit. Shadowing practice. Slow. Repeat after me. At the moment. Normal. Say with me, at the moment. Natural. Say it again naturally, at the moment. Pronunciation tip. Notice how at the becomes at the. Practice the soft T. Mini challenge. Choose 3 chunks today and use them in your conversations or writing. Comment prompt. Write in the comments, I will learn English chunks today. Tip 6. Listen to slow and fast English. If you only listen to slow English, you will be comfortable but not ready for real life. If you only listen to fast English, it feels too hard. The balance is both. Why it matters. Slow English helps you learn. Fast English trains your ear for real life. Real life context. Watch today's video first in slow shadowing. Then, later, listen again at normal speed while cooking or walking. Example sentences. Can you help me? I don't know. Wait a second. Shadowing practice. Slow. Repeat after me. Can you help me? Normal. Say with me. Can you help me? Natural. Say it again naturally. Can you help me? Pronunciation tip. Can you often becomes can ya. Try to copy this. Mini challenge. Listen to 2 minutes of slow English, then 2 minutes of fast English every day. Comment prompt. Write in the comments, I will practice slow and fast English today. Tip 7. Practice emotional English. English is not just words, it's feeling. Why it matters. If you speak without emotion, you sound robotic. But if you add feelings, happy, sad, excited, your English becomes real. Real life context. Your friend says, I got a new job. You don't just say that is good, you say wow, that's amazing. Example sentences. Wow, that's amazing. Oh no, really? That's awesome. Shadowing practice. Slow. Repeat after me. Wow, that's amazing. Normal. Say with me. Wow, that's amazing. Natural. Say it again naturally. Wow, that's amazing. Pronunciation tip. Stretch emotional words. Wow, amazing. Feel the energy. Mini challenge. Choose one emotion word and exaggerate it today in English. Comment prompt. Write in the comments, I will speak with emotion today. Tip 8. Write short daily notes in English. Writing helps your brain organize English. Why it matters. When you write, you see your mistakes and practice new words. Real life context. Every night, write 3 sentences in English. What you did, what you learned, and what you feel. Example sentences. Today I learned a new word. I ate rice for lunch. I feel tired but happy. Shadowing practice. Slow. Repeat after me. Today I learned a new word. Normal, say with me. Today I learned a new word. Natural, say it again naturally. Today I learned a new word. Pronunciation tip, practice linking. Today I becomes today I. Mini challenge. Write 3 sentences tonight. Read them out loud. Comment prompt. Write in the comments. I will write in English every day. Tip 9. Join small conversations. Speaking alone is good, but speaking with people is better. Why it matters. Real conversation is where you grow fastest. Real life context. At work, say good morning to a colleague. At the store, say thank you. Small steps build big confidence. Example sentences. Good morning, thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Shadowing practice. Slow. Repeat after me. Good morning. Normal. Say with me. Good morning. Natural. Say it again naturally. Good morning. Pronunciation tip. In real life, good morning often sounds like good morning. Try it. Mini challenge. Say one English sentence to another person today. Comment prompt. Write in the comments. I will join a small conversation today. Tip 10. Celebrate progress, not perfection. The last step is motivation, why it matters. Many learners quit because they want perfect English, but perfection is impossible. Progress is the real goal. Real life context. Yesterday you couldn't say a sentence, today you can. That's progress. Celebrate it. Example sentences. I am better than yesterday. I am growing every day. Step by step I improve. Shadowing practice. Slow. Repeat after me. I am better than yesterday. Normal. Say with me. I am better than yesterday. Natural. Say it again naturally. I'm better than yesterday. Pronunciation tip. Use rhythm. I'm better than yesterday. Strong stress helps memory. Mini challenge. Tonight write one small success in English. Comment prompt. Write in the comments. I will celebrate my progress today. Conclusion. Let's review. Today you learned the complete roadmap from beginner to intermediate English. Tip 1. Build a daily English routine. Tip 2. Think in English, not your language. Tip 3. Shadow native sentences every day. Tip 4. Use short answers. Tip 5. Learn chunks, not single words. Tip 6. Listen to both slow and fast English. Tip 7. Speak with emotion. Tip 8. Write short daily notes. Tip 9. Join small conversations. Tip 10. Celebrate progress, not perfection. If you follow these steps every day, your English will grow naturally. Step by step. Habit by habit. You don't need perfection. You just need daily practice. Remember, fluency is not built in one day, but in many small actions. Now it's your turn. Choose one tip today and do it. Then tomorrow, another. Slowly, you will notice. You understand more, you speak faster, and you feel confident. Thank you for learning with me today at Slow English Lab. If this roadmap helped you, please like this video, subscribe, and share it with a friend who also wants to improve. And finally, I want to hear from you. Write in the comments. I will think in English 24/7.